Greetings everyone. Welcome. Welcome Professor. Thank you so much for this opportunity. Today I will be presenting my presentation on advanced geo marketing and its application for Shopify inclusive. Okay. To start with, we have overview. First thing I will be explaining about geo marketing, what geo marketing is. Next we will move on to why geo marketing is necessary. I will be explaining why we need geo marketing in today's scenario. Then I will be introducing our paper. Then we'll move on to the background, what are the methods, literature overview and those things of our today's paper. Then we'll see a model which is used in our paper, which is spatial interaction model, also called as SIM. Then we move on to key findings of our research. Then we'll see a live example of how geomarketing is being used in real life world. Then we have our introduction to Shopify. I'll tell you about some of its USPs, unique selling propositions of Shopify. Then we'll see how we can use our today's findings and use it to use them to apply in Shopify's business model and help Shopify in expanding its business opportunities. To start with, I will explain what geomarketing is. Geomarketing is use of geographic and spatial data to inform and enhance marketing strategies. The strategies which different retailers such as Shopify or even offline brick and mortar stores use every day. It involves not Shopify yet. It involves analyzing customer location, regional trends, and spatial patterns to optimize marketing efforts and strategies. This can include targeting specific demographics, specific community or ethnic community, a specific improvement in placement of a product, where to keep them, tailoring promotional campaigns based on geographic insights. Moving ahead, so why geomarketing is necessary? So, as we already know, in today's world where personalization and efficiency are key to successful marketing, geomarketing provides the tools needed to make data driven decisions that enhance customer engagement and business performance. Geomarketing is essential due to these things and some several reasons which I will explain in detail now, such as targeted marketing. It enables precise targeting of customers based on their geographic location, leading to more effective and personalized campaign marketing campaigns with good success ratios. Optimized store placement. It helps businesses choose optimal location for new stores or distribution centers by analyzing regional data and competition. Enhanced customer insights provides a deeper understanding of customer behavior and preferences based on the geographical patterns and their shopping patterns. Improved resource allocation allows for efficient allocation of marketing budget and resources focused on efforts on high potential areas. It helps us allocate our resources better in a way so that we can allocate more resources to high profit churning areas rather than low profit churning areas. It provides us with competitive edge, offers a strategic advantage by leveraging spatial data to anticipate market trends and respond faster to the competitors. Localized promotions facilitates a creation of targeted promotions and offers tailored made to specific customers according to their wants. To show in real life example, we have Outback Steakhouse chain of retail industry, of course. So they've recently started using geo marketing as their ad strategies. So after some period of time after utilizing geo marketing, they saw their turnover ratio was 80% better than industry average, and same thing happened to Dunkin' Donut. uh, as they move towards geo marketing strategies for their ad campaigns, they could also see the increase of 72% in their turnover ratios, which is really nice for food retail industry. So coming to protagonist of our today's presentation, which is our papers. Our paper title is Advanced Geomarketing Modeling Techniques for Retail Networks, a robust gravity model for Belgian food market and spatial competition within a retail network. Authors are Matthias de Buell, Professor Dirk van den Poel, Professor Dr. Nico van de Wege. So for the To start with the background of the paper, I would like to start with a quote. Retailing includes all the activities in selling products or services directly to final consumers for their personal, non business uses, which includes all online retail stores, brick and mortar stores, and like new budding hybrid system which we are seeing in recent scenarios. The objective of this research is to enhance retail benchmarking and turnover predictions specifically for the Belgian food market and to reciprocate. To, the approach involves quantifying internal and external factors affecting store performance, such as the store size, brand, competition, and consumer demographics, to enable targeted improvement and accurate expansion strategies. Existing methods range from simple benchmarks and regression analysis to advanced techniques like spatial interaction method, neural networks. This research introduces to advanced Huff model, which integrates spatial factors, integration, and internal cannibalization, using some models such as CRM data to refine predictions and strategic decisions. So moving ahead, first we'd like to introduce to SIM, that is spatial interaction model, which we have used in this case study for improvement and for improvement of our results and utilizing our strategies for Shopify business expansion. So to start with, a spatial interaction model aims to simulate and predict the flow of goods, services, or people between different locations based on their spatial characteristics and interactions. It incorporates various factors to analyze how consumers choose among competing retail options and how these choices impact retail stores, such as com- the components and concept of spatial interaction models are brand impact, store concept, consumer behavior and demand, retail agglomeration, socioculture factors. These are the factors on which SIM works on so that it can optimize and give us better and efficient results. Applications of SIM are such as retail site selection, market analysis, inventory and supply chain management, and risk management strategies. So these are the applications in which we can utilize SIM to have better optimized results. Its benefits, which we have seen previously, also like how geo marketing can benefit us in many ways. Similarly, SIM allows us a better and enhanced version to get optimized results in predicting accuracy of our revenue and sales, informed decision making, and competitive advantage. So, for our key findings for our research paper, which we'll be utilizing to help Shopify in expanding its business opportunities, to start with, we have location forecasting. Extended SIMs help forecast store performance and assess the impact of new stores on existing locations. This includes accounting for sales cannibalization within retail network, allowing for more accurate site evaluation and strategic decisions. Network optimization, next one. SIMs assist in optimizing store networks by recalculating expenditure flows when stores are added or removed, helping retailers understand the impact on turnover and competition. Strategic planning. SIM supports strategic network planning by integrating long term consumer behavior, trends, and new supply channels like e commerce. They enable retailers to model the impact of multiple stores opening or closures. Operational monitoring. Sims can monitor stores' performance against forecast, identifying spatial causes for deviations, and suggesting targeted interventions. And for some other uses, it can also help in developing plan like development planning. Sims can evaluate success potential of a new retail development by analyzing factors such as store concentration and location. This aids in convincing retailers to lease space and finding high potential development sites. It also helps in enhancing mobility. Sims model traffic impacts of new retail development by estimating consumer travel pattern and their effect on existing congestions. It also creates viability for retails. Sim forecast how new development affect nearby retail, helping urban planners ensure the viability of city center retail and information planning. Overall, the setup of SIM can help not just retailers but of course a broad market if you are looking at a big picture. But some key findings like the factors which will help Shopify in its business aspects are brand impact, agglomeration effect, which we'll be discussing it further in detail later in the presentation. It's inter-network competition, which Shopify needs to focus on, like which will help them boost revenues for Shopify and its store owners. Demand substitution, multi-level validation, and attraction penalties.
Campaigns. As you'll see in the next part of this guide, it's easy to divide customers into groups that are most likely to buy. Location data has been shown to make marketing campaigns up to 80% more effective. This is important in many ways. With geomarketing, you can take relevance and personalization to the next level by marketing to your customers based on where they are right now and where they have been in the past. Geomarketing is an important part of any marketing strategy now that almost everyone has a cell phone and many have chosen to use their location services. Wondering how geomarketing advertising platforms and solutions can help your business? Here are some ways that restaurants, stores, and charities have used geomarketing to reach the right people. Here are some ways that quick service restaurants, QSR, and fine dining restaurants have used geomarketing to reach more customers. Outback Steakhouse served ads to nearby potential customers based on their location, which was 80% better than what the industry average was. The number of people who wanted to know more about eating at Outback went up by 25%. Dunkin' Donuts was able to connect mobile users with their nearest store by using location data. This led to a 72% click-through rate for directions. Pinkberry, a chain of frozen dessert shops, used location targeting to show ads to people who had shown in the past that they might be interested in a healthy treat. With this method, their benchmark success rates went up by 100%.
Okay, so moving on to next part of our presentation, which is Shopify. So first, I will be introducing what Shopify is. Shopify is a Canadian multinational e-commerce company headquartered in Ottawa, Ontario. It was founded in 2006 by Tobias Lutke and Scott. The motto of Shopify is to help people achieve independence by making it easier to start, run, and grow a business. Shopify believes in future of e-commerce, has more voices, not fewer, which we are realizing in today's world. So we are reducing the barriers to business ownership to make commerce better for everyone and easy. To continue, Shopify has grown from 5 people to over 10,000 plus people across the globe. It offers online retail shopping, a suite of services to its store owners, which includes payments, marketing, shipping, and customer engagement tools, not as advanced as which we will be talking about in the presentation later. It also has 2 million plus businesses in 175 countries as of December 2022. Like it helps people support that many it helps that many people support their businesses in 175 countries. Over 1.58 million website runs on Shopify till 2020-21. Total gross merchandise volume exceeded US $197 billion in 2022, and it is also one of the 20 publicly traded Canadian companies on Toronto Stock Exchange. So in this slide, I will be discussing about some of the USPs of Shopify, which are like unique selling proposition of Shopify. Its ease of use, which is like it just being a user-friendly interface, all-in-one e-commerce solution, which I just mentioned that it provides marketing, in-house consultation, payment options, and shipping also. So in all-in-one e-commerce solution to its store owners. Customizability, you can customize your store, and of course scalability, like you can customize it and scale it according to your needs, how you want to cater to your own customers. Mobile responsiveness, which is mainstream in today's world and necessity also. Multi-channel selling, you can sell to different countries from just a single channel with single payment gateway. Robust security and reliability, it provides state-of-the-art security, 24/7 support for customers and as well as to its retail store owners, with analytics and reporting on how sales are going and how they can benefit it with some of the pre not pre like already being used tools by Shopify. Okay. So now we'll discuss about, let's not say problems per se, some hurdles which Shopify faces, and our research and our findings can help them smooth those hurdles. So such as competition and market saturation, because of many emerging players and evolving market dynamics, it is becoming like too cost cost expensive to achieve some growth. So that's why in that way geo marketing can help Shopify, like which we will be discussing in further slides. And of course the technological advancement, which today everybody is embracing, such as AI and AR, is imperative, which Shopify should also be doing that while using the sim modeling, which we are discussing today. So now let's dive into how Shopify can utilize the findings to capture the business opportunities which might come Shopify's way. Okay. To start, first one is enhanced location-based insights. Location-based insights, location-based analytics for retailers. Agglomeration effect. Shopify can develop tools that can help retailer understand the impact of their store location relative to nearby competitors and complementary businesses. This could be particularly useful for Shopify merchants who operate both online and in physical stores. And second one, market area analysis. Integrate features that allow retailers to analyze effectiveness of their locations and helping them identify areas with high potential for foot traffic and sales based on spatial models. So next one is geographic targeting. Localized marketing strategies implement tools that enables retailers to create localized marketing campaigns based on geographic and sociocultural data. For instance, Shopify could offer insights into regional preferences and buying behaviors to tailor promotions and product offerings. Third one, optimized inventory management. Demand forecasting. Shopify can help retail merchants in managing their demand forecasting. SIM can help Shopify store owners forecast demand for different products based on regional consumer, their behavior, and spending patterns. This allows for better inventory planning and stock allocation, reducing risk of overstocking and or stockouts. Okay. So next one is optimizing online and offline retail strategies. Integration of online and offline data. Consumer demand substitution. It provides analytics that reflects how online store demand varies with physical store openings and closures. This would help Shopify merchants understand how to balance their physical and digital presence, and of course how to deal with the competition which might keep on emerging new in their localities. Demand elasticity tools develop features to model how changes in product availability, online or offline, affect consumer demand, allowing retailers to optimize their inventory and pricing strategies. Second is predictive models for store success, in that enhanced analytic tools can be built which incorporate predictive modeling tools within Shopify that utilizes insights from store attributes, consumer demands, and distant metrics. This could help merchants forecast their sales performances, make data driven decisions about expanding their store network, or adjusting their online strategies. Next one, but last but not the least, sales revenue forecasting, in which they can have predictive analysis by integrating SIM with the Shopify sales data. Store owners can predict future sales, trends, and revenue potentials in different regions, and even try to predict different products, new products, and how they can do in their revenue. This helps in making informed decisions about scaling operations or entering new markets, which I was just talking about. The third implementation or use which Shopify can benefit from the paper is improved user experience and personalization. Personalized shopping experience. Localized recommendation use insights from spatial models to offer personalized product recommendations based on customers' geographic location and their shopping behavior. For example, Shopify can help merchants personalize their online stores to reflect regional preferences and trends based on wherever the people are using, or based on the ethnic community which is more prevalent in a specific area or geographical community. Second is geo-targeted promotions, cus- in, in which custom promotions such as allow merchants to create geo-targeted promotions and discounts based on density of competing stores and consumer demand in specific region. This feature would enable Shopify retailers to target customers more effectively and optimize their marketing spends. Last one, consumer behavior insights. Behavioral trends which Shopify can use. SIM can analyze the spatial patterns in consumer behavior, helping Shopify store owners to understand which product or promotion resonate more with which community and which geographical people. This information can guide product development and marketing strategies and can be cost efficient also. Okay. So the fourth suggestion is expansion and investment guidance on how Shopify can utilize SIM and other modeling techniques to plan their expansion plans in the future. So to start with, we have market expansion tools such as site selection support. It provides tools that assist retailers in choosing optimal locations for new physical stores based on spatial interaction models and market analysis. This could be particularly useful for Shopify merchants looking to expand their brick and mortar presence. Second, investment decision support. offer insight and analytics that help merchants evaluate potential markets and investment opportunities, reducing risk and improving decision making for store expansion and business expansion. Next, competitive analysis. It provides retailers benchmarking, implements features that allow Shopify merchants to benchmark their performance against competitors in different regions. This would provide valuable insight into competitive positioning and market opportunities. Last, expansion risk management. Market risk evaluation. It will help Shopify give proper evaluation related to risk and uncertainties as we are proceeding into like new market. When considering expansion, sim can assess potential risk and rewards of entering new region. This helps Shopify owners make data driven decisions and avoid costly mistakes. Precaution is better than cure. So our last suggestion for how Shopify can benefit from our findings is socioculture and distance metrics integration. Socioculture insights such as regional customization, which enables merchants to tailor their product offerings and marketing strategies based on socioculture factors. For example, Shopify could provide data on regional language preferences and cultural trends to help merchants better align with offerings and local tastes. Second, data based optimization. Travel time analysis. Integrate distance based metrics into Shopify tools to help merchants understand how to travel times and geographic distance affecting customer behaviors and sales. This could be used to optimize delivery logistics and improve customer satisfaction and even boost our sale depending on when and how customers are traveling. So last suggestion for today's presentation is strategic partnership opportunities. Retail collaboration. SIM can help identify potential retail partnerships or pop ups locations by analyzing consumer overlap and regional demand. This can provide new sales channels and increase brand visibility, and, of course, open new expansion channels for the brand. So, in today's presentation, we have seen how Shopify can utilize geo marketing and its modeling tools to expand its business and of course, optimize its already running businesses and expand on it. Thank you.